Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I will make how to connect PHP connect form. Actually that's very interesting things. You see that like type, you can type any kinds of name. Now I'm typing Imran. Okay, then email must be, you have to choose a specific email. Okay, like I'm typing this email. Now subject subject type PHP learn, and now type the message, what kinds of message you would like to tram. No problem, you can type. Okay, I like to learn PHP. Okay, done. Then if I click send, then you see that after few times your message has been sent, your targeted email, you typed the mail. You can check this mail, already message has been sent. Guys, that's very interesting things. And now I will discuss how to make this table. Firstly, I say that for making this interface, all kinds of source code you can download 100% free from my website link. Just see my video description. When you click this source code link, then you will see this interface. Self is scroll down, then you can see get source code and get others file. Must be, you have to download these two file. Okay, and also if you scroll up, then see demo list. If you click demo list, then see that's the demo list. There are a lot of demo in here, serial from 1 to how much, about 50 plus. Okay, yes, 52. You see that you can see there are a lot of demo in here. And now I am discuss about the last one, how to create PHP contact form or a simple PHP contact form. If you click view details, then see view details, and also if you click view demo, then see view demo. So guys, no more talk. Now we'll make this contact PHP form. Let's go. Everybody know must be if we have to go our PC, then C drive. That means you have to go your gem. Now I'm clicking gem, then HTTP docs. Now I'll create a table 57. Okay, that's one. Now click here. That's one. Already I have downloaded this two file. First one is source code, another is others file. When you extract two files in your targeted folder, then you see that Bootstrap CSS, then index PHP, and also you see that process PHP. Guys, there's three important coding in here for making this contact us form. Okay, now I'm open index and process. Just wait guys, wait. Okay, now open. Okay, you see that first things guys, index is the main factor, because you can sense any kinds of information from here, like title, contact us form in PHP, you can sense from here. And also if you like to sense contact us, just a table title, you see that already, and that's one you can sense from index. And also there's the process, there's all kinds of things in the automatically process, so no problem, no need to change. Everything is made just ready made. Okay, no need to change. So, download and put your local host, then you can see this table. Like now I am check my local host, you see that table 47, no, table 57. Okay, now press enter, then you see that already a local host is open in here. How to create PHP contact form. So guys, if you have any question about this video, don't hesitate to comment in my comment box. And also I have a request to you, must be you share with your friends, and don't forget subscribe my channel. So no more today. Thank you very much.